going on? It's Mark. I'm gonna show you real quick how to drive a 6-speed Cummins right now. Dead stop here in traffic, but I'm not really dead stopped in traffic. Go ahead, buddy. So put it in first, check this out. Straight killer. It's like a Mack truck over here, first gear. Rolling coal as we're going. See that coal? Look at that. You can't really see that, but hopefully you can. Ready? Oh, lordy. This thing is nasty. It's fun to drive. It's fast. It's capable. When I say that, it's just absolutely beast. And what do you have here? You have the manual 6-speed Cummins transmission, a bulletproof combination, 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine, 4x4, long bed, fifth wheel, BMW fifth wheel setup. It's with a huge long stick. I can relate to that. Just kidding. Well, no, I'm not, but I am. No, anyways, I'm gonna change the subject real quick. So it's awesome. It's so much fun to drive. Some people start off in first when they're pulling a house out of the ground. Some start off in second, like me. For the fun factor, sometimes I start from first just to get a head start and then start going. I just love this truck. It's modified, it's lifted, as you've seen in the beginning of the video. And it's fun as hell to drive. Here's the stoplight taking off again one more time. So neutral, clutch in. We're gonna go first gear. Watch this sucker, turn the AC down. First, second. I'm gonna smoke the guy. Oh, smoke the guy out behind us. Ready? And we are just cruising. Awesome truck. I can't give it enough brownie points as far as in the truck game, because it's everything as far as towing. If you're towing, a lot of guys, they're hard to find. They're unicorns. The holy grail of trucks, in my opinion. And 6-speed transmission, Cummins long bed is just the ultimate truck. It really is. There's my boy. So if you're watching this, stay tuned. Here's the rest of the video. See ya. Go into detail right now, and we're gonna cut the video off and go to the rest. Here we go. See ya. Bye. Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. Behind me is one of the most fun machines I've ever driven, and I still love till this day today. This, my friends, is the 2012 Ram 2500 SLT 6-speed transmission 4x4. Unbelievable workhorse, an unbelievable workhorse. Recon Cab lights, suspension lift kit, big wheels, big tires. It's a nice setup. It's a super nice setup. First thing I'm going to elaborate on is the paint. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's a color, it's a bronze, it's a rare color. You don't find it that often. I've only owned 2 of these trucks in the past, God, 10 or 12 years, I want to say, and I buy a lot. It's a bronze flip-flop color. You change one way, it's like a dark green, army green. You change the other way, it's like a bright gold. I mean, you change down here, it's like that color. You change up there, it's that color. It's beautiful. What are we running on? 4.5-inch suspension lift kit system, 35, 12, 50, 20-inch tires, mud terrain tires, wrapped around the OG of wheels, the Moto Metal 962, and these are a 20 by 12 Moto Metal 962. I just can't say enough about the truck, so I'm gonna leave it at that. You guys seen the beginning of the video. I'm gonna do one more video taking off here in a second. Let's go inside the truck as we walk past this beautiful paint. Recon taillights. It's just, here's the girth right here. I'm gonna use the Anthony gauge, my boy. How you doing, Anthony? You get the Dodge rim mirrors that flip up, of course. I'm 6 foot tall, stands right here. A lot of people ask that question, how far do the tires stick out? 1.5 inch, 2 inches. My camera's about to overheat, so I'm gonna go quick. Triple gauge pods, you got Pyro, boost gauge. Let's jump up in here real quick. Miles, 133,699 maintained miles. Awesome Mack truck shifter. This thing is fun to drive. Rear sliding window, front top sliding sunroof. It's got trans temp, power meter, and boost gauge. So electric trailer brake, your clutch, all that jazz, power windows, locks, Alpine sound system. exhaust brake, traction control, cigarette lighter, whatever you want to do. Whole bunch of goodies in here. Inspected at the local Dodge dealership, passing inspection. Ticket right inside the glove box, right here. Safford Dodge Motors, right there. Boom. Everything's golden on this truck. It really is. It's beautiful. Hope you guys like the video. Quick startup. 5-position switch tuner right here. Your gun lock. How does it roll? Go like this. Pull it off. Boom. Right up in there. So it's awesome. You can elaborate on that and every feature in this truck. Here's the VIN number. So yeah, here's the back of the truck. Fifth B&W, hold on, yeah, B&W fifth wheel right there, boom. There's the ball in the back. The tires, 80%, no, probably 60%, I would say. Under the truck, there you go. Everything's good. So, hope you guys like the video, I really do. If you got any questions, hit me up, power seats. And yeah, there you go. All right, see you guys over out. If you got any more questions about this truck, visit www.superiorwholesale.org or visit www.superiorwholesale.org. People ask that question, what's the website? It's www.superiorwholesale.org or call 540-898-3025. This won't last long, I'm telling you. Here it is, 6-speed rare truck, 6-speed transmission. See you later, bye.